All right, so we got an 03 Camry. The linkage. So next, we're gonna remove this little guy off his part. I'm only gonna get this angle. So what I do want to do here is I did put some WD-40 on it. So I got this propane tag. This is like 35 bucks. And you can pick this up from Home Depot. And you want to be careful if there's any fuel, any lines. You want to be careful. So what I like to do is I like to heat the crap out of this guy. Give it a good 2-3 minutes. I'm gonna pause the camera, but I'm gonna heat this up for good 2-3 minutes, and then I'm gonna put a white strip right in the middle, and I'm gonna try to take that bolt off. So it's been a minute and a half, and I'm gonna try to get my bolts impact gun. Nothing was attached, so pre-attach your impact gun and everything. So let me get this guy going. I'll be right back. So I'm gonna take the 14mm impact gun and a pry bar down below. I should have had this ready before, but it's okay. It's not gonna cool off that much, and it's your best bet to heat that guy, because if you don't, and if it comes out halfway and gets stuck, that's the corrosion, and then it won't just go back. It won't even budge in any direction. You see that? It's kind of crazy. So let's see if I can get my whites in between, which might not work out because it's too thick, but once it loosens up a bit, it will go in there. If I need to heat up more, I will heat this guy up a little bit more if I need to. So a little bit more. There you go. And it hasn't even budged, to be honest with you guys. This thing has not budged yet. So here goes nothing. This is gonna be troublesome. Let's see. That was super duper tight. So this is gonna be trouble. I'm gonna heat the heck out of it and keep it going. So I'm gonna heat this guy up for a little bit more, and then give it another temp. Like I said, this will be the hardest part. So let's pause the camera and we'll be back. So I've been on this guy for a little while, and give it a good 5 minutes if you have to, even if you want to go more longer than that. And I know you guys now have the big torch. If you got the big torch, then you're good to go and should be no issue. But something like this, it might take a little bit longer. You might start to see smoke come out. The bushing is gonna burn from the back end. That's fine because we're replacing it. Anyways, and this guy's still not budging. You can put Allen key in the middle, but I doubt it is gonna work because I have stripped Allen keys. Okay, I'm gonna give it one last attempt, and then I'm gonna just probably end up cutting this guy. There you go. Okay, it moved, and then it stopped because we got plates in it now. Let's see if my wife could go deeper and grab this guy. So it did move. We don't have to go cutting it. Okay, and let's see if we go deeper. That should be more than enough. Let's take 3 threads out. It went in 3 threads. We're able to move it around. But this is the case with these, so I'm gonna go get another white strip. Kind of white strip's kind of crappy. I'm gonna give my PYZ pliers a chance. You never know what kind of magic they can do. And let's go in here. Okay, I don't think they're gonna grip it because it's not open enough. Yeah, it's just free playing. So our best bet is, okay, I'm gonna keep going with this, so it's gonna take time, guys. So this is gonna be the outcome with these linkages. They're not so easy to take off. So we got progress with this guy. I'm gonna go more tighter. It should be coming out now. Should be coming out. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Linkage is out. So just good grip with the vice grip worked, and our linkage is now out. So these will make noise too, but this one didn't have any play, but we're gonna change it, make it all new suspension here. Okay, we got the sway bar linkage. It doesn't have fitting, so it's pre-greased if you buy the good stuff. So it doesn't matter which side you're putting up and down, it does not matter. So this is the 03 Camry. You take this little guy, and again, this is a again, it's I think this is a 14 millimeter, and in the back right here, you could put this 17 millimeter. Remember, we took it off with vice grip. We no longer need to do that. So let's see if our 14 fits. So it might be, it's a 15 now. Okay, so this has got to be super tight. If you leave it loose, you will have a clunk clunk noise. So very simple. We're gonna do, it's a 15 millimeter. That's what I got on now, and nice and tight. Okay, that's it. In the bottom, remember I got the other side loose, so our sway bar linkage in the bottom. Make sure the surface is just clean, and this will just go right in. Let's see. There you go. Let me point the camera down. Well, the camera can't see it, but let's go a little bit more down. There you go. I'll put the light here. That's a better. So very simple and easy. Same thing. We're gonna take our 18 millimeter right in the middle. Bada bing, bada boom. And that's it. Process is the same on the outside. There should be no play on this guy. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and don't forget to do the bushing, because we'll still have that noise if you don't replace the sway bar bushing. You will see a separate video on that, so check that video out. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos.